Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is the 18th of December 2019. We stated earlier in our last two videos that we won't be dropping any video again this year, but we noticed some slightly updates on the broker platform. There's a recent update on their algorithm, so it makes the last two strategies we dropped became slightly obsolete. So that's why we are dropping these two new strategies for all our subscribers and traders and also aspiring traders. So here I've logged into the trading platform. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. We have two channels. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. So all these informations will be pasted in the video description on YouTube and across all platforms. So these are the rules for this strategy. This is a link to our forum website. You can sign up there to read the written tutorial as well. This is a link to register for a free trader account if you don't have a trading account. This is a link. All these informations will be on the YouTube description. In the video description on YouTube. Sorry. So it will be on the video description on YouTube. So let's see. So let's get back to the trading. So as you can see, I've logged into the trading platform. So after signing up for a trader account, make sure you are using the webtrader. After signing up, use the webtrader for you to be able to see all this interface. So here I'm going to open the volatility 25 index. This is what we are starting with, and we'll trade 6 times. We'll trade 6 times. So I'm going to push this right here. Then I'm going to open another one. We'll open 2. We'll trade 6 times. We'll open 2. So I'm going to push this right here and push this right here. So here we are going to change this to digits. Then here, as stated here, we are going to first trade. We'll select digits over. Set the duration to 1 tick. In the second trade, we select digits ziffer, and you set the duration again to 1 tick. We change the digits to 0. So let me just remind you guys to open another one. So let me just put it there. So for you to be able to know that it's 2. So here we are going to change this to digits over. Then here we are going to choose digits again, then digits differ. So both will be 0 and the tick will be 1 tick. So we're going to change this to 0. Remember, we are trading 6 times, so we only trade 3 times. That will be 6 trades. So we're going for trade number 1. So I click on purchase here and I click on purchase here. So you can see we won both trades. So here we'll change this one to digits over, then we'll change this one to digits differ, then everything remains the same. We'll close it. Let me close this. Digits okay, digits over and digits differ, so everything remains the same. So we're going for, so if you didn't change, you can just click on anything. So make sure it's like swapping. You change, this one was digits over before, you change it to digits differ after the first trade. So we are going for the second trade. So we are going for the second trade. We click on purchase on both. So you can see we won the second trade. We traded 4 times, so we won the second trade. So now in our next trade, we change this again. You can see this one was differ. We change it again to over. Then we change this one to differ. So you can see this one changed immediately, but this one didn't change immediately. So you just go back here. You can select anything. You change this to digits again. Then you choose digits over. You can see that it has changed. So we are going for our last trade. That means we traded 6 times. That's the third trade. So you click on purchase on both again. So as you can see, we won the 3 trades. So make sure you change after the first trade, make sure you change it simultaneously, like swapping it. So let's see what we made. We traded 6 times. 3 times was 6 trades. So let's see what we made. So we start with 680.40. So let's see what we made in about 3 or 4 minutes. We have 667.34.40 minus 66680.40. So we made about 54 USD in about 3 minutes, not even up to. So thanks for watching. Remember, we are dropping 2 videos today. One will be on the new channel and one will be on the old channel, so make sure you subscribe on both channels for more upcoming strategies, and make sure you share the video as well with other traders. Thanks for watching. Bye.